Her knowledge, her confidence, presence make you want to learn and try better. Ken, last name is Sue. I am from Los Angeles. I want to further my knowledge of Pilates. I took it just more of it's like being a master class where I can learn as much as possible. After the first day, I knew I was in it for like a wild ride. I'm kind of sad that it's over, but I'm also excited to take all that knowledge and really try to master it. I'm ready for the next level of really learning, getting everything I've learned and try to improve on it. She's great. She's confident, she's knowledgeable. I've had at least over 200 dance teachers in my life, so she's to the point, she knows what she wants. I adapt to her very quickly, just being the amount of teachers I've had. She's great at what she does, and she's very hands-on, and you have to respect the knowledge, you know, and a lot of people are not very hands-on. Very direct, so when she says she's not ready, you have to absorb it and take it as a constructive feedback, which is right. Like I said, I have a thick skin, so some people might not take it too well, but I take it very well. I would recommend it to Pilates students that have probably been practicing for more than 2 years. They need to take the knowledge that they gained and then finesse it. I wouldn't recommend it for a beginner. I wish I would have had a year or two under my belt before I've taken this class so I can really try to master it, but I'm glad I've done it so I know what to expect. This is an appetizer to me, so I'm excited. Breathing, probably breathing, the most important part. I'm bad at it, so I'm constantly working. I didn't know that she emphasizes so much. I knew it was very important, but I didn't know it was as important as it should be. I didn't really practice my breathing so much because I'm still trying to master the movement. I wish I would have had the breathing down before this class. I've learned the chair, the barrel, the Cadillac right now, and the reformer. I've gained so much knowledge. It feels good. I mean, everyone absorb as much knowledge as possible. There's no need to tell everybody you're the best.